Flies are good at math and have been to space. Flies can do complex math in milliseconds. They share 77% of human disease genes. These tiny insects have superhero-like vision. They are complex creatures with remarkable abilities. Flies belong to the order Diptera. This group includes over 120,000 species. Let's start with their mathematical skills. Flies are incredibly fast calculators. When you try to swat a fly, it's not just luck that helps it escape. A fly can spot an incoming threat in just 100 milliseconds. In that brief moment, it calculates the angle of attack. It then plots an escape route. This happens faster than you can blink. But there's still a way to swat them. Don't aim directly at the fly. Instead, try to anticipate where it will jump. Aim for that spot instead. Their space adventures are equally impressive. In 2014, NASA sent fruit flies to space. These flies weren't just passengers. They were part of important research. Scientists used them to study how space affects living organisms. This research helps prepare for future human space travel. The choice of flies for space research isn't random. Fruit flies share 77% of human disease genes. Their short life cycle is another advantage. A fruit fly goes from egg to adult in just a week. This allows scientists to study genetic mutations much faster than with other animals. Flies have another superpower: their vision. Have you noticed how flies always seem to see you coming? That's because of their unique eyes. Fly eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses. These lenses are called ommatidia. They give flies an almost 360-degree field of view. It's like having eyes all around their head. Some flies are masters of disguise. Take hoverflies, for example. These clever insects often look like bees or wasps. This mimicry helps them avoid predators. They are so good at it that they might even fool humans. Not all insects called flies are true flies. True flies belong to the order Diptera. They have a two-part name, like the housefly. A dragonfly, despite its name, isn't a true fly. Flies play important roles in our ecosystem. Some species are crucial pollinators. They help plants reproduce. Other flies act as nature's cleanup crew. They break down decaying matter. This process recycles nutrients back into the environment. Flies even help forensic scientists. They are often the first insects to arrive at a dead body. Different fly species appear at specific stages of decomposition. Forensic entomologists can determine the time since death by studying these flies. Fly evidence has been used to solve murders and other crimes. The adaptability of flies is impressive. They live in almost every type of habitat. On Earth, they have specialized sensory hairs on their feet. These hairs allow them to sample any surface they land on. Most flies have short lives. They typically live only a few weeks to a couple of months. However, they make the most of this time. Female flies can lay hundreds of eggs in their brief lives.